Hey folks, I'm here to talk to you today about our Accelerator program. You know, sales and marketing have gotten more complicated than ever before. From a wide variety of different earned, owned, and paid media strategies, to more competition in the marketplace, to the increased challenges of selling direct to consumer and through multi-step distribution, it really is a challenging thing even for super experienced in-house teams. So what we decided to do was figure out a way to come up with the quickest, most effective, and most scalable marketing strategy we can on a case-by-case basis for great brands. Now what we do is we sit down with your team, we do a deep dive. We really embed ourselves with your team and your company and your culture. We learn about your product, we learn about your target consumer and customer, and then we actually do competitive analysis as well as a brand analysis, and we break it all down into basically a roadmap of how you can move forward, improving brand awareness, improving sales, making your marketing not only more cost-effective and streamlined, but also just more effective in general. And we do all of that in 30 days. So it's a really cool program. It's already showing great results for the brands who have started doing it with us, and we're really excited to talk to you about it some more.